Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Papa Bale, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to try putting 24 volts into the system here. I just got to do this right. Yep. All right. I hope all goes well here. All so good so far. Might be this down here. Nope, that's good. We got green plasma. This wheel's going kind of slow. That's nice. That was pretty cool. Check out this oscilloscope if you can see it. That's this coil right here. That's awesome. I think if I take 4 magnets out of this wheel, that will have something golden. It'll be gold. Because the timing's a little off for 24 volts, I think. And I don't know if that means anything to anybody, but I think there's too many magnets on this wheel for running it that high. If the diameter of the wheel was, say, maybe 2 inches, an inch more on each side, that could work, I think. But at 8 inches, 8 magnets at cubic is too much for that. Wow. I think I'm going to hook piezos up on that disc too. That is amazing. That might actually be because it's dying. I can't trust it. Because the energy is so low. But yeah, I think this is going to be fun. Examining different things. I'm going to be putting this together, putting it together again. I got new clips without glue on them. We're going to balance it out because it's a little off balance. But that's all I got for right now. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Oh. Maybe it isn't all I got. Let's see. Let me get this. Yeah, this is just ridiculous. Whoever made this must have been left-handed, which normally I wouldn't care, but right now I don't appreciate it. Because now I gotta move it over here. So I can put in the plug. If I can even get the damn thing. No. I got no nails. Got no grip. Man. This is really frustrating. Probably more frustrating to watch me do this than maybe a tool. Yay. All right. Pointy for the win. Come on. All right, so we just gotta let that juice up. And it's gonna take a while. But it's good that I got it plugged in, so. Man, that's exciting. 24 volts. All right, so we'll put this one here, and we'll put this one here. 24.4 volts. Perfect. All right, so let's see what it has now. Just a little bit. Auto. All right, cool. So basically our little sine wave. Now let's see how we can josh it up a little bit, jack it up. Yeah, something's not right. That's not smooth. It's got to be how many magnets are in there, or maybe it's the coil. Maybe it's the piezo connection. Oh, I do feel that. Wow. It's like a ambient static. Like, oh wow. That is amazing. I do kind of smell like a transistor smell. And that's the thing that I was nervous about to begin with, putting 24 volts into it, is that the transistor wasn't going to be able to handle it without a resistor. But I think it does. I think it's good. I don't know what that pulse was. You know what I'm talking about, right? It definitely wasn't smooth. Well, we'll figure it out. Lots and lots and lots to play with. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Please subscribe. Bye now.